Hey, it's DPerry, and I am a realtor with Property Consultants in Bucktown. And today, which happens to be Halloween, on Logan Square in West Town Homes Live, I'm going to share with you 7 trick-or-treat safety tips that every homeowner should know. Some Halloween tricks can really cost you. And today's report is brought to you by House Logic, which is made possible by realtors. But before we get into today's report, I want to offer a treat, not a trick. It's called Market Snapshot. What is it? It's a free tool that you can get via email. You click the link, bam, here you go. You see some summary information on whatever criteria you set. This is an aerial view. You click the bullseye, it takes you to a map with a lot of pretty color-coded houses. They correspond to the various status: new for sale, sold, pending, expired, canceled. You can filter what you see. You can also sort listings in a variety of ways. You can sort them closest to target location, highest to low, lowest to high, or most recent activity. And you can drill down into a house to get more details on it. So if we drill down into one, you get to see all of the pictures. You get property details such as room dimensions, flooring, appliances, you name it. If you have school-age children, you'll be interested excuse me, in schools nearby, the distance, grades, student-teacher ratio, sometimes it's given a score, and of course, home is more than the 4 walls that you live within. Also contains shops, restaurants, you name it, and you can drill down into those for all kinds of detail. You can see menus, pictures, hours, phone numbers, reviews, you name it. It's a fantastic tool, and guess what? The price is right. It's absolutely free. You can get it as frequently as you want or as infrequently, and you can unsubscribe at any time. So check out Market Snapshot. Just click the link that's over in the show notes. So now to the report. 7 trick-or-treat safety tips that every homeowner should know. Again, some Halloween tricks can really cost you. Now, plenty of people love a good Halloween scare as long as no one gets hurt, and that includes your house. Hot lights and large crowds present some real risk to homeowners. Follow these 7 tips for trick-or-treat safety. Number 1, make your outdoor lights as bright as possible. John Pettibone, curator of Hammond Castle Museum in Gloucester, Massachusetts, that is a hard word to say, Gloucester, I think I pronounced it correctly, suggests checking the label on your outdoor light fixtures and using the highest wattage bulbs so they can safely handle. You can always switch them back after the holiday for a softer glow. Number 2, prop open the storm door for trick-or-treaters. Pettibone suggests propping open the screen or storm door so it doesn't get in the way when there's a big group of kids congregated on your stoop. Yellow caution tape can do the trick, while keeping with your Halloween theme. A 1,000-foot roll of 3-inch wide tape is about $8. Number 3, use LEDs instead of real candles. Pettibone warns against lighting real candles in carved pumpkins or paper lanterns. There are fire waiting to happen. LED bulb faux candles are much safer, and the light looks a lot like the real thing. Before you purchase Halloween decorative lights, be sure to look for safety certifications such as UL or Underwriters Laboratories. Number 4, use motion lights after the trick-or-treaters have left. When the trick-or-treaters go home, the vandals often come out. Motion sensor lights that illuminate the whole house can help scare away mischief makers out to egg your house or do more serious damage. Number 5, tighten railings. Fixing wobbly or broken porch railings is a trick-or-treat safety must, as they can cause severe injuries if anyone leans on them a little too hard. Hire a contractor or handyman to fix the problems before your guests arrive. Number 6, use friction tape on steps. Steps can get slippery in damp weather. Prepare by applying friction tape, $16 for a 60-foot roll of 1-inch wide tape to steps. If your neighborhood is at risk for an early freeze, stock up on ice melt too, $20 for a 50-pound bag. A related Halloween trick or safety tip: clear your walk, steps, and stoop of any obstructions like potted plants and even jack-o'-lanterns. Move them where no one can accidentally stumble on them. Number 7, clear the curb. It's the most important trick or treat safety tip. Here's a scary statistic. 4 times as many child pedestrians are killed on Halloween night than a normal night. Of all the trick-or-treat safety guidelines, this one could be the most important. Reduce risk to little pedestrians by clearing parked cars from the curb for better visibility and placing a reflective "Watch for Children" sign at the edge of the road. On busy streets, consider having adults take turns maintaining safety in the streets with a handheld traffic control light. So thanks to Oliver Marks, a former Carpenter newspaper reporter. Oliver has been writing about home improvements for 16 years. He's currently restoring his second fixer-upper with a mix of big hired projects and small do-it-himself jobs. So I hope you found value in that. And if you'd like to keep your finger on the pulse of real estate in any neighborhood in Chicagoland, not just Logan Square and Westtown, but in any neighborhood, all you have to do is sign up for Market Snapshot. Sign up for Market Snapshot. You just click the link. The same link you see on the screen is live in the show notes. Also, if you have any questions about real estate, call me, Doug Perry, at 312-572-9801. Or you can email me at dperry@propertyconsultants.com. I look forward to speaking with you. I look forward to meeting you even more.